Okay, now we are going to go all the way to another end of the spectrum, which is business and commerce. Okay, so I have this cover for this annual report. I have the word Noki up there. Right now, we are currently in Lotto, so let's see how we can change that to Oceanwide and see what happens. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you can click on the text thing here and then highlight everything on the side. So this is a way, if you use Photoshop, this is a way to change everything really quickly. So I've highlighted each of these, and now I'm going to go over here to Oceanwide, semi-bold, and then select it there, and it changes everything. Okay, so you can see it gave it a more robust, a little bit more of a corporate exact look, which is what you want from accounting, right? Because of, you don't want creative accounting and all that. So look at how nice that is. Love it.